How to turn off crosshair hit markers in Fortnite. First of all, once you're on the homepage of Fortnite here, you'll want to press the Start or Options button on your PlayStation or Xbox controller. That'll bring up the right hand side menu where you want to scroll down until you get to that settings cog. Once you're in there, go to the settings in the menu there. Then you'll want to press either RB on the Xbox or R1 on the PlayStation to go along the top menus until you get to Game UI. Once you're in Game UI, you've got two different options for a lot of you will want to do. So if you want to turn off crosshair hit markers, what you want to do is go to damage numbers and change it to list. That's how it was before. And also you can do reticle damage feedback. You turn that from hit only to off. So that should kind of solve the crosshair markers issue for you if you want to do that. Also, some of you are searching, you want to just turn off the crosshair itself. You can just click off for the reticle there, and that will work. So one of those two options there. Hopefully it works for you. Leave a like on the video if it did, and subscribe for more helpful videos.